Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo uri urugamirire githomo kia university na uthuthuria Simon Nabukwesi niwe uruguritie tabarira ino ya mwanya iria thunduritwo guteithia aria mari na mawathe ngurani kuhuthira mashini cia computer.
They are providing for equity in terms of acquisition of education by people who are born with the challenges alongside those who are born with the normal capacity to learn.
Mitambo ino ya mwanya iri na uhoti wa kuoya mothio ona kana mihumu kuri andu aria mari na mawathe ta ma kuona na kumahotithia kuhuthira computer.
Children without limbs, children sometimes who cannot talk, but now with this technology we are able to do this. And at Meru University, these are the kind of science, technology and innovation projects that we are carrying in. You have to really address a community need and all the rest.
They entrusted the researchers with about 15 million Kenyan shillings. That is 3 years ago. And the outcome we are seeing now is quite encouraging, given that we are able to see what this technology can do.
Arutwo aria mari na mawathe kuma mucii wa Manyata Alkara na uria wa Igoji na cukuru wa mwanya wa Athi nio makwamba guteithika na tabarira ino iria tanyitwo kwararamio thutha-ini.
We'll stand with the team. We will support them to move to the next level so that this technology is able to reach to the next level and have a great impact to the education sector and overall to the economic development of the country.
Tabarira ingi iria iratwarithio guku university-ini ino ya Meru ni ta iria ya guthondeka irio cia mahio na bataraitha kuma kuri giko iria guciriirie andu kuma thi yothe o nginya ikahota ngerenwa. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ri turekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.